Attention please. Flight 247 to London has been delayed. You look at the screen again. Delayed. Then you see something else. Gate changed. Your heart beats faster. People around you start moving. You check your boarding pass. You're not sure what to do. Is the flight still today? Where is the new gate? When will boarding start? You understand the words, but in this moment you need to speak. What do you say? Today we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Flight delays happen often. Sometimes the weather changes. Sometimes there is a technical problem. Sometimes the gate changes at the last minute. And suddenly, everything feels uncertain. But most airport problems can be solved with simple questions. You don't need advanced English. You just need clear, calm sentences. Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about a delayed flight and a gate change. First, just listen. Then, we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when your flight is delayed. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last week, I was at the airport waiting for my flight to London. I arrived early and sat near my gate. Everything seemed normal. Then I heard an announcement. Flight 247 to London has been delayed. I looked at the screen. It said, delayed, 1 hour. A few minutes later, the screen changed again. Gate changed. I felt a little confused. So I walked to the information desk. "Excuse me," I said, "is the flight still leaving today?" "Yes," the staff member replied. "It's delayed by 1 hour." Then I asked, "Has the gate changed?" She checked her computer. "Yes, it has," she said. "Which gate is it now?" I asked. "It's gate 18. "Thank you," I said. Before I left, I asked one more question. "What time does boarding start now?" She told me the new boarding time. "Perfect," I replied. I walked to the new gate and sat down. It wasn't a big problem, just a few simple questions. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. "Excuse me, is the flight still leaving today?" Is the flight still leaving today? How long is the delay? How long is the delay? Has the gate changed? Has the gate changed? Which gate is it now? Which gate is it now? What time does boarding start now? What time does boarding start now? Is the flight on time now? Is the flight on time now? Where should I go now? Where should I go now? Is this the correct gate for London? Is this the correct gate for London? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last week, I was at the airport waiting for my flight to London. I arrived early and sat near my gate. Everything seemed normal at first. Then I heard an announcement that the flight had been delayed. I checked the screen and it said the delay was 1 hour. A few minutes later, I noticed that the gate had changed. I felt slightly confused, so I walked to the information desk and said, "Excuse me, is the flight still leaving today?" The staff member confirmed that it was, but it would leave 1 hour later. I asked, "Has the gate changed?" She said yes. Then I asked, "Which gate is it now?" She told me it was gate 18. Before I left, I asked, "What time does boarding start now?" She gave me the updated boarding time. I thanked her and walked to the new gate feeling calm. It was not a big problem. Just clear, simple questions. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Stay calm and ask short questions. When you feel confused, simple questions like, "Has the gate changed?" "Which gate is it now?" can solve the problem quickly. Number 2. Listen carefully to announcements. Airports often give important updates through speakers. If you don't understand something, ask politely. Clear questions help you stay in control. Next time you hear a delay announcement, don't panic. Walk to the desk, ask one clear question. Speak slowly. You don't need perfect English, just clear English. Your turn. Has your flight ever been delayed? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, my flight was delayed for 2 hours last year. In the next episode, we'll practice what to say if your luggage is overweight at the airport. Simple sentences. Real-life situations. Step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.